cleaning this dirty vehicle Doorcard, I'm going to use Autoglym interior shampoo. Just going to spray some on the Doorcard, and then with a soft brush I'm going to gently work the product in, and using the soft detailing brush, because this is a patterned Doorcard, it's not sort of smooth. This helps to work the product in to all the places I need to get to. Right, I'm just going to let that go off a minute, let the product do its stuff. It's not too warm today, so I can let it dwell for a short while. And then with a slightly damp microfiber, I'm just going to give the Doorcard a wipe. Right, just going to let that dry off, and then I'll put up a before and after. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.